Welcome to Tesla Gigafactory Nevada, the world's largest battery factory. Today, I'll show you how we're building the energy future.
Production of Tesla's revolutionary tabless electrode architecture. Continuous spiral winding creating an overlapping electrode connection, eliminating traditional tabs.
Temperature cycling validation, self-discharge testing, capacity measurement, internal resistance verification, revolutionary structural battery pack manufacturing, 680 cells integrated directly into vehicle structure.
Tesla's advanced BMS electronics, custom PCB assembly monitoring every cell individually, voltage sensing circuits, current measure.
Så långsiktigt stormsänks en assessment to it.
Final battery pack testing stations.
Every 4,680 cell passing through X-ray inspection stations. Internal electrode alignment verification.
Tesla batteries from Gigafactory Nevada are powering a global transition to sustainable energy, installed in our vehicles, Powerwalls, and megapacks worldwide.
With our advanced telemetry, we monitor battery health across the global fleet, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for every vehicle.
The yield rates are still below target.
These tabless electrodes have too many defects.
We need to fix this dry coating process immediately.
Production targets cannot compromise quality. This is a matter of national importance.
Okay, the delamination is clear at the interface. Let's adjust the electrostatic spray voltage.
And check the roller temperature for better adhesion.
Through relentless engineering, our dry coating yield for new battery cells improved from 70% to 92%.
Implementing improved laser cutting parameters for tabless architecture. Electrode alignment precision increased. Vision system enhancement catching defects earlier. Winding tension optimization.
A global shortage of nickel is threatening battery production. while geopolitical tensions are affecting the supply of cobalt. By securing domestic lithium and nickel and innovating our battery chemistry, we control our destiny. Battery scientists are developing accelerated formation protocols using proprietary charge and discharge profiles.
MNC. Engineers implementing improved cooling for silicon plates, enhanced gasket materials, connector point winding sashers.
American batteries, powering a global sustainable transportation revolution. The future is electric, and it's made right here in America.
Today we'll cover cathode chemistry and the dry coating process for our 4680 cells. Safety is paramount.
Gigafactory Nevada leads with solar rooftops, megapack storage, water recycling, and 95% battery material recovery.
Okay, so billions of cells produced cumulatively. Yesterday, 35 million. Today's target looks achievable.
Excellent.
9 years building America's energy future here in Nevada. We're not just making batteries, we're making America energy independent.
The Nevada lithium delivery is delayed. We need to activate our American supplier network now.
I'm on it, mobilizing alternative sources.
Good. Production must be maintained. Congratulations! You just helped build America's energy future. Your batteries will power families across the country. Be proud of this work.
Tesla quality means American excellence. Every battery protects families, enables clean transportation.
American innovation for a sustainable future.
Together, we power the world.
Our diversity is our strength.
By optimizing the nickel content in our cathode, we can significantly boost energy density. Initial tests show promising results.
This represents American perfection, energy independence through innovation, manufacturing excellence. Made
Battery
production is on track. 4680 yield is at 92%. Maintain safety protocols.
Understood. Shift continuity assured.
Now you know Tesla's battery manufacturing secrets. What impressed you most about American gigascale battery production? Subscribe to Process.
Next, LG Battery Factory Secrets. Then, CAL Gigascale Production in China. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.